Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to another day in fucking paradise. Holy shit, I am just feeling so much gratitude for being here. And I thought I would be in more of like, let's just enjoy a couple of days and not do anything. But I'm feeling the bad bitch. I'm feeling like, oh my god, we've got things to do. I want to feel settled. So we are just getting business done. It's only 11:42 in the morning, and we've already both set up bank accounts for each other. We registered our businesses, so 2 new LLCs here in Hawaii. The Bad Bitch Academy LLC is now a fucking thing. I am feeling so many emotions with that. We're about to go to the Spectrum store and set up Wi-Fi, and then we are going to go to like Walmart and Sam's Club just to get some like necessities and things we're gonna need for around the house. We've been looking online for some couches and just some furniture things that we're gonna need. It's so exciting. Like, we are just filled with so much energy of like, oh, we can finally do all the things we've been thinking about doing. So yeah, we're super excited, and I'm gonna bring you along on the journey today as we are being boss ass bitches and getting shit done. At Lowe's, looking for plants. Whoa, never seen plants with these kind of patterns before. Holy moly. So much personality. So beautiful. We're about to turn our whole house into a jungle. Look at all these beautiful plants. And this huge money tree. Yes. At the Lowe's, we just got a grass mat for the balcony. This is gonna elevate our whole balcony so much. The happiness I feel when I'm in a Lowe's is just indescribable. It smells like lumberjacks and appliances and plants. I fucking love it. Damn, look at that big pipe. We just got our couch.
Where am I?
I know. We have no room in our easy. Wait, what the fuck is this? In our U-Haul.
Easy up.
I know. we're stuffed.
Can you turn the AC on?
Yes, I can. You're hot? Yes, you are. You're one hot daddy. Home sweet home. There's nothing else to do but relax. Oh yeah. We've got fucking couches. Oh Lord. Does the work ever end? That's what I would like to know. But we've got lots of plans. The place is going to be transformed. Transformed! So we went to Walmart and did a grocery shop, and we got so much stuff. And I was so surprised that it was actually like, we spent like $200-ish. So the prices weren't super far off from what you would get in Cali, which was very surprising, and we are super fucking happy about. Oh my god, we have the couch set up. Are you ready to see this fucking couch? Look at this. It's so fucking comfortable as well.
Why don't you jump on it?
Oh, that's a great idea.
Whee!
So good. So good. Wow. I fucking love it. Next, you've got our grass mats. We are about to transform this balcony. She's gonna be unrecognizable. Like, it's gonna be such a fucking vibe. Look at it now. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like when we're done with her, because it's not gonna be the same. Wow, look at the fucking view. And it's your birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Fucking gorgeous. Right in our backyard. Forever grateful. Okay, so we just got the call from the U-Pack company that has all of our stuff that they are not able to drop off our container at our house. It's too small a road. It just doesn't work. It kind of sucks because that means that we have to rent a U-Haul, take it down to the shipping container, empty it out, bring it back home. We might have to do this in like 2 trips or something. So it is a little bit of an extra step, but fuck it, we are gonna do what we have to do and get it done. Yay! It's moving day in the rain. Why? All right, looky here, unlocking it. My help, my hands, I know.
We don't know, everything might fall out.
All right.
Ask Alex, so I could.
Let's see. All right. Everything looks exactly how we left it. Fuck, here we go. Our busy day begins. The rain has stopped. Thank the Lord. Our little mop bucket's a little fucked up, but all right, I'm gonna put this down. All right, we're making progress. She's getting empty, nothing fell out. Loading her up. Look at her go, we're doing it. All right, loading up the first round. This U-Haul. She's fucking stacked, Jesus Christ.
All the stuff we do not need.
We still have this much to go, but we're doing it. We're doing it. All right, round 1 is done. I'm already fucking exhausted. We got a lot of boxes and shit here. A bunch of stuff is on the balcony. We hope we're able to finish everything else in one more trip. Fingers crossed, because that shit was a lot of work. Our thing is empty. The cargo van. We Tetrised everything in. We got all of our... She's stacked. Stacked, man. We're gonna do this whole thing in 2 trips. Fuck yes. All we have left is this mattress and a glass tabletop. Oh my god, we fucking did it. It's empty. Wait, what? No! He's sending me back to Africa. The car's stacked. Thank you, U-Haul. Holy shit, I'm exhausted. You guys, I'm sweating so much. That was so hard, so much work. And I'm not looking forward to taking all the stuff out the U-Haul and putting it in our house. We have 1 step left. We are almost there. We are fucking done!
You've been back off.
What?
I'm tired.
Me too, me too. Look at our house, you guys. We have so much to do. Like...
Give us 2 days.
2 days? I think 2 days is enough.
Could be enough.
To put all this back together. At least. But it's like every part of that. Can you move for a second?
Let me tell you one thing.
First, let me do this. But then tell me one thing. All these boxes. Ah, my goodness. Our bed gotta be put back together. A pile of who knows what the fuck all of this is. Dressers, boxes, mirrors. We're doing it. We're fucking doing it. Now, this room is still a work in progress. Like, for now, it's kind of all the stuff that we just don't want to fucking deal with, and that's not a priority. I've got, like, my stripper pole, lingerie things. This is just the whole bad bitch headquarters. She's gonna have to wait for a second, but we're getting there. Our whole house is put together by these little sticky hooks everywhere. Fucking amazing. All right, we're making progress. You might not understand what's going on. Why are there strings hanging from the ceiling? What is he doing up here? What's happening? You are about to find out. Next, we're adding some lights. Now we're setting up the lights. It's gonna be such vibe in here. We're about to start working on the balcony. She's gonna be transformed. All right, she's coming along. We've got the grass. It feels so much better than the concrete already. Now we're adding some of these little curtains. Oh my god, it's really going to be such a freaking vibe out here. Are you guys ready to see our house? Like, it's definitely not done, but it's such a huge progress and it feels like a home. I'm so happy. Okay, let me give you a tour. All right, the room is complete. It's such a vibe. Let me show it from this angle. I mean, for one, the tapestry. Fuck, it feels like a fairy tale land in here. So romantic, so just chill and peaceful. So we added this shoe thing and a coat hanger. Fucking love it. Keeps all our shoes organized. Then coming over here, you guys, is this even recognizable from what we had before? I know it's still a mess, but like, we've got our table, our rug. We built this thing that literally took probably like 2 fucking hours. It honestly took me like 2 hours to put the chairs together, not gonna lie. We've got plants, all these things, the couch. Totally so happy with how our living room works. We even got the projector that just fits perfectly on the wall. It's so great. The balcony is coming together. We've got the lights, the tapestry, plants. I'm loving it so far. I can't wait to see it when we have this side done. Still figuring out what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna put a hammock there or something, but super nice. And the view at night, fuck, I love it so much. All right, now we're setting up the hammock. You want to take a seat?
Oh my god.
You want to sleep on the floor? Okay, take 2. Let's try it again. Picking up my car. She's back. We're back in business, baby. Oh, how I missed you so. Back out. Sorry.